We finally got some light on the situation. I don't know. I'll try and focus that in as best I can, but you know, it's a GoPro. It has no focus. It is what it is. That's a 3800 kV SC401 V2 10-shock motor. Another set of tires for it. And put the Trackstar Gen 1 SC120 ESC. That is a Mod 1 setup. I'm using the plate that I cut down, but well, filed down, but you don't have to file anything. In fact, you'd be better off not touching anything and using the stock friction plate with no mods, and I'll show you why. I don't know if you can see in there, but the friction shoes, and this one I'm using the aluminum ones, are 20 or 25% larger than stock, but it sticks out just over the top of the plate. And if you have the stock one on there, it'll work perfect. Absolutely zero modification whatsoever. Now this is just for demonstration purposes. This is a 15 tooth pinion, an old 3.3 Revo 42 spur. Yeah, so I'll slap the tire on here and show you quick. Plenty of juice. Now, of course, these are not going to be my run gears, just for demonstration. So there you have it. You can do Mod 1 with zero modifications. Excellent. Now there's two halves to this friction plate. This is the outside one. You can see the hole there is just about totally round with a little nub in it. You cannot use this as your rear main friction plate. You can't use it. They're keyed different. And I'd have never even attempted this mod if I didn't have new replacement parts for it in case I mess something up. Let me get on. I'll show you what I mean. See, never attempt a mod without having backup parts in case you mess something up. Okay, now here's your two plates. I'll put them on a piece of paper. It might be easier to see. You can see this one's just about completely round with a little nub in there. This one, on the other hand, this is your inside one. It's got a flat spot in there, which rides on a flat spot on the shaft. There's two of them. Actually, there's one there, and a little nub like what's on this one. But you can't take the outside friction plate and think it's going to work on the inside. It's just going to spin. It might last for a few seconds, but that'll it's going to ruin the shaft. Got the Savox in there. It's the newer style. It's a plastic case. The older ones, not older, I guess you'd call it the first generation of the SC0251MG, had a metal case. This one's all plastic. It's neither here nor there for me. It still works just the same. So I got my little solder station in, which is cool. You just got to learn how to work it a little better now. know if I'm repeating myself, but I got the, yeah, I am repeating myself. Okay, here's the bottom, my bracket. I trimmed all of that off. Put one screw in the center just to hold it, and it's not going anywhere unless, of course, you slap something at 70 miles an hour head on, and then it's gonna go somewhere. These tires are pretty neat. They fit on the hexes real tight, almost as good as a DE racing wheel. I mean, you gotta press them on there. So, you know, the tendency of stripping is much less likely. Yeah, alright, I guess that about covers it. My shocks, these are Losi SCTE 12mm shocks. I got a pair of front ones on the front, and a pair of front ones also on the back, which lowered it real nice. I'll have to put stops in there. Oh, no, I don't. It doesn't bottom out. Excellent. Front ones are nice and stiff with the addition of that front sway bar in case I have to add weight. Well, I'm gonna have to add weight, no doubt there.